Hi folks, I've got some updates on the case mod project for you. We now have in the front the purple LED fan. I don't know if you can see that there. You can just make out that that is purple. There's a lot of light in here at the moment, so you can't really see the richness of that colour effect. What we've basically done is we've taken one of my blue LED fans that turned up. This is what we've got. It's a Jinhengda. Not heard of that make before, but well, they were cheap fans. But actually, I've got to say, I've been quite impressed. Seems to move a reasonable amount of air and isn't too loud. But basically, what we've done is we've popped out. You can just see them there. We've popped out the blue LEDs and then unsoldered them. Popped in the purple ones and resoldered everything. And we've ended up with this one now in the front, and I'm quite pleased with that. It does what I was hoping it would do. My only problem with it is that the purple LEDs aren't as rich or aren't as bright as the blue LEDs, so it really does need to be quite dark before you get the full effect of that. But that's our first purple LED fan really in the case, which is fantastic. Unfortunately, I can't say the same for the one round the back. Here we go. We've actually put LEDs in one of these transparent blue fans around the back, and unfortunately they now show blue, which is not what we wanted at all. Obviously the plan with this project was to go for purple LEDs, and well, I know purple doesn't always show particularly well on the cameras anyway, but pretty much what you're seeing there is what I'm seeing. It's gone very purple. See if we can get the side cover off. Okay, I don't know if you can see there where the LEDs are. Some of the light we've got coming back off the LEDs is purple, but I think the colour of the fan casing itself is just sending the whole thing blue. So I've now got to think about what I'm going to do with that. I can't really put a different colour in there. As I've said before, if I put red in there, it just looks red anyway. So I think we're going to have to either go with blue LEDs, which I don't want to do, or we're going to have to take one of the ones that we looked at before. This is the first one that I tried, if you remember. This actually does show as purple. I know you can't see it too well on the video, but that does actually show as purple. So I'm thinking of taking some of these non-transparent fans, and to make the effect richer is perhaps paint the fan blades white so that they reflect a lot of the light, because obviously the clear fans are very good at producing a lot of light, and the black fans aren't as good as that. So I think we might have to rethink the fans, take some of my plain black 80mm fans, paint the fins white, and then put the purple LEDs in. What I have done is I've taken note of a comment from Laserman over at West Coast Mods that the LEDs weren't actually pointing in the right direction, so I have adjusted these LEDs, and also when I put this one together I made sure that they did point in the right direction. Kind of hard to describe really what was the right and the wrong direction, but they kind of need to be pointing in the middle, so they kind of point across like that. I had them kind of pointing inwards, but they need to kind of point across, and the effect is better actually. So thank you Laserman for that one, and for helping this project just to look that little bit better. So as I say, unfortunately another daylight in here at the moment. So I guess we've made some progress with it, but a few challenges that we've now got to think of and overcome. I guess that's how things go, but thanks very much for watching the video, and hopefully if you've not subscribed already, please do so. Please feel free to leave a comment, and hopefully I'll have another update on this project pretty soon.